Hello everyone, welcome to the second section of Office Word course. Let's get started. In this section, I'm going to introduce the interface of Word. This is a blank template that I have shown in the last section. First, in the upper left-hand corner, you have the menu and the quick access toolbar. You have 5 comments on it, including Open, Save, Export to PDF, Print, and Print Preview. On top of the document, you have the title bar. When you save it, you can go ahead and rename it and call it whatever your document is about. Down below the top bar, you have a list of commands. It's called a ribbon. For example, you have the Home tab. When you count down, you have the tab groups, and it is separated by those thin lines. Now you can see the font group, and you can change the size, color, or underline the words. On the right side, there are some commands for the setting of paragraphs and styles. Next to the Home tab, there is the Insert tab. You can insert things like tables, illustrations that include pictures, charts, shapes, and others. Here are also more tabs, such as the Page Layout, where you can change the setting of the page. Some of the tabs will be introduced in the following sections. You can click the View tab, so we are looking at the default view, which is the Print Layout view. Now we go back to the Home tab, and then down below you have your blank document. Here we can go ahead with the cursor flashing and start typing. Now let's look down below in the status bar, and you can see how many pages in this document and how many words you have typed. You can also know the section you are in and check for proving errors. And then over to the far right on the status bar, you have the different view options. You are now at the print layout view, but you can also do read mode and web layout. You also have the zoom feature, and you can make the view bigger on your screen. This is all for this section, and we'll talk about the functions in the other sections. Thank you.